a light eyeshadow, this light shade of purple, and putting it on my eyes. Using this angled brush to do the lines on my face. The lines, I like them. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm gonna apply a buttload of mascara. Just a buttload, it doesn't matter. Now I'm gonna do the nose. Now the nose is pink and I'm just gonna outline it with this eye pencil. I'm just going ahead and getting some pink face paint and filling the whole nose in. While waiting for my nose to dry, I'm gonna just go ahead and do the lips. So there are some highlights on the lips I see, which I'm gonna do first in this white. Next I'm gonna take a lip liner and just overline my lips. Now I'm gonna fill the rest of the lips in with this red lipstick. I'm gonna just add a white highlight to my nose, straight up and down.